was very honored for the opportunity to be part of it. But also, it immediately brought a smile to my face. This reminded me of when I was a kid, doing my own nativity story. Well, this one is really a project for the soul, really. It's not only was it fun to shoot because of the kids, and also as a filmmaker, it was nice to play around with staging it, but really we're telling a timeless story that is about faith, that's about something bigger than us. So we did draw some inspiration from the stage to make it a little bit more Filipino. So we added Filipino elements that you see in the set. For example, Lola Bashang, who's not typically seen in the nativity story. She figures in very prominently in ours because we wanted that Filipino flavor. In terms of staging it, it was really just bringing out the cuteness of the kids, which I think is really the heart of the film. You have these really cute 5, 6, 7-year-olds, not trained actors, they're really just kids. But when they perform the nativity story, they are so invested and it's really coming from the heart. And I think when that comes across, you really want to watch it because it's fresh. Whenever I would look at the frame and whenever we would mount the scene, I would always think and feel the importance and the sacredness and the gravity of the story that we're telling.